I am Dr. Varija, and we have started, we four friends who have started iPlay iLearn at Miapur, and I am very happy to tell that we have started this school with a vision. Our main vision is to develop a holistic environment. Holistic is something that which is overall improvement and development which is seen in the child. And here we at iPlay iLearn, we create such an environment that everything is taught in a playful way. We are teaching children, it's not that we are pressurizing the child, we are teaching in a playful way. And here we mainly concentrate on multiple intelligence. And this multiple intelligence, it includes 8 different smarts. That is, we mainly concentrate on body smart, logic smart, nature smart, word smart, people smart, music smart, and the last is self smart. And apart from this, our curriculum is designed in such a way that it includes 10 months. In these 10 months, we are having specific topic for each month. Like in the first month, we will be concentrating on self-awareness. In the second month, we will be concentrating on shapes. Third, it is colors, eatables, and then in the 5th month we are having enrichment, where this is a revision like thing of first 4 months. And then in the 6th month we are having weather cycle, 7th month we are having pets and jungles, and in the 8th month we are having transport, and finally once again enrichment period. And here at iPlay iLearn and in Miapur Center, we are having all the facilities what a preschool learner should have. And we are having trained ayahs, trained facilitators, and here the student teacher ratio is 1:20. That is, for every 10 children we are having one facilitator. And apart from this, we are also having extended daycare also. And here we teach, like apart from the curriculum, we also teach, like for junior KG and senior KG children, we also concentrate on little bit of yoga, and we also teach them little bit bhajans, where we want to tell that it's not that only we are concentrating on the curriculum part, we are also concentrating on different other curricular activities also. And we have started this academy on October 17, 2010. That is, it's 1 year. We have finished our 1 year. And here at iPlay iLearn, we can confidently tell that we are maintaining cleanliness and hygienic to 100% level. It's not that we have started the institute not maintaining anything. We can give full assurance to the parents that we are maintaining each and everything in a cleanliness way. And there is a small sloka like thing what I want to reveal to all our parents who are joining over here. That is, we take care of the children in such a way that there is a saying, we become ourselves mother, father, everything. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva, tvameva bandhu sakha tvameva, tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva, Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. And this is the thing which is not coming from our mouths. It's from each and every facilitator over here, each and every administrator over here who will look at our children like we become ourselves parents to the children, we become friends to them, and we will become like well-wishers to them. That is what I can assure 100% in this thing. Thank you.